Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice in a rice cooker. First, measure your desired amount of rice using a measuring cup. For best results, rinse the rice thoroughly under cold running water until the water runs clearer. This removes excess starch, leading to fluffier rice. Once rinsed, carefully transfer the rice into the inner pot of your rice cooker, ready for the next step. Now it's time to add the water. For most white rice varieties, a 1-to-1 ratio of rice to water works well, but always check your rice cooker's manual or the rice packaging for specific recommendations. Many cookers have internal markings to guide you. Place the pot back into the cooker, close the lid securely, and then plug in and turn on your rice cooker. Do not open the lid during cooking. Once you've added the water and closed the lid, press the cook button. The rice cooker will automatically detect when the rice is done and switch to a warm setting. After it finishes, let the rice rest in the cooker for 10 to 15 minutes with the lid on. This allows the moisture to distribute evenly, resulting in perfectly fluffy grains. Finally, open the lid and gently fluff the rice with a paddle before serving. Once fluffed, your delicious rice is ready to serve immediately. Enjoy it as a side dish or as the base for your favorite meals. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 5 days to maintain freshness. Remember to check the description below for the link to the Owala water bottle, perfect for staying hydrated throughout your day. You'll also find other great deals and resources there to help you in the kitchen and beyond. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.